Everyone, I am back with another video related to IS 456 2000, the core for RC design. I have already given the importance point related to this IS 456 2000 in last video, and I am going to introduce with another points related to this code. So let's start with these points. So next point is related to the column. For column, the cross-section area of longitudinal reinforcement shall not be less than 0.8% of cross-section area and not more than 6% of gross cross-section area of the column. Next one is the bars shall not be less than 12 mm in diameter of which are using in column. Nominal longitudinal reinforcement shall not be less than 0.15% of cross-section area of column. The maximum spacing of shear reinforcement measured along the axis of the member shall not exceed 0.75 d of vertical strips. Vertical strips are shear reinforcement and it should not be greater than 300 mm. D is the depth of the column. The mild steel reinforcement in either direction in slabs shall not be less than 0.15% of total cross-section area. However, this value can be reduced to 0.12% when high-strain deform bar using. For footing, minimum cover shall be 50 mm. Lap length including anchorage value of hooks for bars in flexural tension shall be LD. LD is development length or 35 whichever is greater, and for direct tension shall be 2LD or 35 whichever is greater. The straight length of the lap shall not be less than 15.5 200 mm. Generally, in case of horizontal, for horizontal direction lap length we provide is 45D to 52D, and in case of vertical we provide it's around 60D, not more than 60D. The lap length in compression shall be equals to development length in compression but not less than 24.5. Tau C equals to 0.25 root FCK. This in case of remedial state design, and for working stage of design tau C equals to 0.16 root FCK. Under transit wind load, the lateral sway at the top should not exceed h by 500, where h is the total of that building. Minimum eccentricity, all columns shall be designed for minimum eccentricity equals to the unsupported length of column by 500 plus lateral dimension by 30, subject to a minimum of 20 mm eccentricity. Partial safety factor for concrete is 1.5 and in case of steel it's 1.15. Area of stress block is generally 0.36 FCK XU. It's in standard. Depth of center of compressive force equals to 0.42 XU. XU is the depth of neutral axis. The maximum strain in concrete at the outermost compression fiber is taken as 0.0053 in bending. The maximum compressive strain in concrete in axial compression is taken as 0.002. Fy equals to 4 Fy 250. Depth of neutral axis is 0.53d. In case of Fy equals to 415, xm equals to 0.48d, and for Fy 500, xm equals to 0.460. Modular ratio equals to 80 by 3 sigma CBC. Sigma is CBC equals to permissible compressive stress due to bending in concrete, which generally taken is Newton per meter square. The diameter of lateral ties shall not be less than 1/4 of diameter of largest longitudinal line, and in no case it's less than 6 mm. The pitch of transverse reinforcement shall not be more than the list of these follows. The list lateral dimension of compression member, that's normally column or straight, maybe 60 times the smallest dia of longitudinal reinforcement we're using, and 300 mm. So in case of column, these values, according to these three values, it should not be more than of list of this list value we use in from these three values. So guys, I have collected these important points for related to IS 456 for you all guys, and in next video I'll give you another related point related to this code. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and share my video, and if you inquiry, then so comment on this video. I will be happy to help you in any other inquiry. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you.